Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. We just got in our stock ProStar. This boat is absolutely gorgeous, just showed up from the factory. Gonna zoom in here a little bit so you can see this beautiful flake. As always, MasterCraft has 4 tracking fins, better helm experience, driving, you're gonna have better control and awesome tracking. Coming to the back here, I'm gonna show you the full sea deck walkthrough that we did with this boat. So love that about MasterCraft. Keep everything clean in this boat. You have storage lockers here. Really good spot to put your gloves and your rope. Coming in, if you wanna take these seats out, definitely can make more room in your boat. We optioned this with ski racks on both the port and the starboard side. So plenty of space to keep your skis. New this year is Meridian audio, so you're gonna have very nice audio experience in your boat. We also have keyless entry. So you see right now, this boat is in sleep mode. Gonna press this, get back to your screen. Your key, just for backup, is gonna be in the passenger glove box here. You see that your key, so if you need to turn it on while you're leaving the dock, that is where that is for 2026. Here in the bow of this boat, so you can pop this seat up to have an extra passenger seat, or if you like the walkthrough, you have really nice seat decks so you're not trashing your seats. We also have another seat in here so you can make very nice playpen to keep everyone in there for a better experience in your boat. This is our only stock ProStar that we have right now for 2026, so come see it today at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website.